seventh question that we get asked all the time is, what's your new duct system made out of? So older duct systems are made out of sheet metal, and they're insulated with a yellow fiberglass that can easily be pulled off or fall off. The newer duct systems are made out of a polyester material. It's got an inner liner, and then it's got insulation around that, and then it has an outer vapor barrier. That duct system is meant to go from a point A to a point B in a direct line of sight orientation, to where the metal ductwork will go a ways, turn a 90, go a ways, turn a 45, go a ways, turn a 45, and then get to the boot. So it's less resistance on airflow. It's a lot better flow, more pressure. You feel more air coming in. The big difference is if you're in a more mountain climate where you might have critters that can get in and out of your home, the metal duct system might be better, because the newer duct system, it can be destroyed by creatures. Really, that's the only difference between the two, is you can't tear up the metal, but you can tear up the polyester stuff. But the new polyester stuff, if done right, works just as fine, just as well, if not better. And then if you properly rodent-proof the outside of your house so that critters can't get in and out, it's going to be fine and you'll have no worries over it. So just because it's plastic, as they say in the industry, doesn't mean it's a bad thing. People usually follow that up with, is it rodent proof? The easy answer to that is, the brochure says it's rip resistant. So it's not going to be torn up easily. So if a mouse is underneath there, like a little mouse, probably not going to chew it up. If it's a big critter like a raccoon or a possum, or I've seen squirrels tear them up, I've seen skunks tear them up. Those guys, they got claws, they'll claw the stuff up. And that's why I was mentioning that it's really important that if you're going to get a new duct system and you've had rodents underneath the home before, we want to make sure that we seal up any of the holes where they were entering and exiting, and make sure that they can't get back in through there. The other thing is, we want to make sure that duct system is super sealed, airtight, like we've been talking about. Rodents really aren't attracted underneath your home for no reason. Usually they're attracted to an area because they smell food. So think about that. Duct system's leaking 30%. You're cooking a nice dinner that smells really, really good, and the heater comes on. All that air gets sucked up into the system, blown back through the ductwork, and starts leaking underneath the home, the smell of the good food you're getting ready to eat. In my opinion, that would attract some critters to want to come underneath there looking for food. So get a new duct system, get the rodent proofing around the house done, and make sure it's sealed up, and probably never going to have rodent issues again, because they're not going to be attracted to come underneath your home.